Wait, tell him.
What's the goal?
What is the goal?
All right, wait. Let's summarize. We have a broom. We've gotten a broom. Toter, take it from here.
This here is a broom. What we plan to do with this broom is to poke at the football that is stuck on top of the awning. Thus, we gave Matt Block
Lodging.
the responsibility.
The tallest.
He's tallest, the longest.
I got screwed.
Do you have any last words? Do you have any last words?
I got screwed.
You got screwed. All right.
You gotta take the other side. No.
Actually, you got this. You got this.
Wait. Brush the snow. Brush it.
Dust it. Sweep the snow.
You're a snow.
Is that a sweep or is that a push?
Now you want to go a little bit forward, a little deeper.
Can I make a suggestion? Poke at it with the other end.
Well, I don't want
No, it's gonna go farther.
Yeah.
No.
It's the worst idea ever.
No, you poke and you loosen it.
No, you gotta dislodge the snow. Oh, you're close.
Yeah, you are.
You got that.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
No!
You can see.
No!
Yeah! Oh! Oh!
Give me direction.
You're good. You're all over it. Yes! Yeah! Oh!
Yes! Takes a lot of strength.
Move it.
It's something else.
Oh! Yeah!
It goes wild!
We should already return.
Now Toter gets to try.
Alright, put it back up. Let's see if it. Let's put it back up one more time.
Let's see if it still works.
Your turn.
My turn.